Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for Debank charts, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate and optimize your use of Debank, a popular platform for tracking and analyzing cryptocurrency portfolios. First, let's start with the basics. Debank charts provide a visual representation of your cryptocurrency holdings, allowing you to easily track your portfolio's performance over time. To get the most out of Debank charts, it's essential to set up your portfolio correctly. Start by linking all your cryptocurrency wallets and exchanges to Debank, ensuring that your portfolio is comprehensive and up to date. Next, familiarize yourself with the different types of charts available on Debank, including balance charts, transaction charts, and asset allocation charts. Balance charts display the total value of your portfolio over time, while transaction charts show individual transactions, and asset allocation charts illustrate the distribution of your holdings across different assets. To effectively use Debank charts, it's crucial to understand the concept of asset allocation. Asset allocation refers to the distribution of your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. A well-diversified portfolio can help minimize risk and maximize returns. Use Debank's asset allocation charts to analyze your portfolio's diversification and make adjustments as needed. Another key concept is risk management. Debank charts can help you identify potential risks in your portfolio, such as overexposure to a particular asset or market volatility. Use this information to adjust your portfolio and minimize potential losses. In terms of best practices, it's essential to regularly review and update your portfolio on Debank. This ensures that your charts accurately reflect your current holdings and performance. Additionally, consider setting up alerts and notifications to inform you of significant changes in your portfolio's value or asset allocation. Finally, use Debank charts in conjunction with other tools and resources to gain a more comprehensive understanding of your portfolio's performance. This may include tracking market trends, analyzing technical indicators, and staying up to date with market news and developments. By following these best practices and understanding the key concepts behind Debank charts, you can optimize your use of the platform and make more informed investment decisions. Remember to stay informed, stay disciplined, and always prioritize risk management to achieve your investment goals.